Here's the last bit to this tune. I'll quickly go through the first few bits. And this is the last bit. And then it goes on from the start. So the last bit is just third finger on the middle chord, forward bow movement on the Agapo side, and then swivelling over, and then just trembling with the second finger on the Zil chord, playing both chords. So you're trembling on the back bow movement, forward and backward and forward bow movement. So, and then it's. But when you do that last bit, so it's you're finishing on a forward bow movement. I come back, lift the bow, come back, and then play forward again. So it's. So then I go. So that is the forward bow movement. So I find it's a lot easier to just lift the bow. Otherwise, it gets a little bit. Playing that with the backward bow movement is a bit tricky, and then you finish with the bow the wrong way anyway. So that's the first bit. Just to tremble on the Zil chord, lift the bow. So that's the same thing, just playing on the Zil side with no fingers, swivelling over and playing the middle chord on the Agapo side. I think that last bit is the same as the previous step, part 3. So I won't explain that. So the main bit of the last bit is. Now with I mentioned in the last bit that you just tap on the second finger. You can actually tremble the third finger as well to make it sound better, and you can do that in the third bit as well. I forgot to mention that. Somebody's asked to add the trembles as well. I'm trying to keep it as basic as possible, but a few people want trembles. That's fine. So when you do the jump, you can actually, instead of doing a jump, you can do either. So you can either do that, or you can tremble the third. So that bit's keeping, instead of jumping, just keep it down, static. Tremble the third finger on the middle chord. So it actually sounds more colourful. It does sound better. So that's the tune. I'll go through it one more time.